Hey guys, it's Nathan back with another video. In this video I take the Cape Cock OR up and down Hell's Gate, a side obstacle on the Hell's Revenge Trail in Moab, Utah. This video was recorded on November 19th of 2020, and as far as I know, I'm the first person to have ever completed this obstacle on any kind of electric dirt bike or bike. This trail was pretty difficult. The obstacle was pretty difficult. It's very steep, and the scale and steepness isn't really depicted very well through the camera, but this will give you a good idea of what to expect if you do decide to come out and check this out for yourself. The entrance itself to Hell's Gate was very steep. I had to get off the bike, as you'll see here, and just take a look at it and really think it over before I decided to go down. I did go down the first time a little reluctantly. The second time I actually rode it down pretty well, and then I proceeded to go up and down Hell's Gate several times. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.
Hell's Gate entrance. What? That's how you get into it? Really? Might have to walk that first. Okay, I think I can do that. Yeah, we can do that. Holy shit, bike's wanting to slide. Oh shit. Could have probably gone down okay just being on the front brake, but not real familiar with this trail. Never gone down that, and I'm out here by myself, so now this I can do this shit. I can fucking do this. Good. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Not super clean, but made it. Had to put my feet down a few times. I kind of want to try it again. Yeah, I gotta try that shit again. Oh shit. Real heavy on the front brake. Made it down clean though that time. No feet down. Shit. Damn it. Bad try. Better. Shit. Let's do it. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Didn't even put my feet down once. Hell yeah. Glad I tried that again. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Got 3 cameras running there at once. Well, that was freaking awesome. But I tried 3 times or so. Finally made it up clean on the last try. I gotta go up it one more time. But I'm super stoked, and I think I'm probably the first person in the world. I'm gonna go out there and put it out there. First person in the world to hit Hell's Gate, maybe even Hell's Revenge, on a cake or electric motorcycle. Let me know if I'm wrong. So I also wanted to mention, this bike is completely stock. Stock tires. The rear tire is actually a little bit further than halfway worn. You can see that there's not much left compared to the front. I don't know if that's, you can tell. But yeah, this bike is completely stock. Haven't changed anything on it. Just been lubing the chain, and I haven't even done that really that much. I did break off the sprocket guard that was right here, but I've been running without that for a while. I've also broken the rear fender once, and they sent me a new one for free. That was cool. Being careful not to break it again. I have a habit of, when I kick my leg over it or get off the bike, I snag it. And that's how I broke it the first time. But yeah, stock cake cock OR. Funny name, but it's a damn good bike. I'm not missing my 450s, or I don't have plans on getting anything else. This is the bike I plan to ride for a while. Very happy with it. Whew. Don't get any easier.